Hello and welcome. Today we are going to look at something exciting and very useful. Every year, some English vocabulary lessons become more popular than others. They help learners speak naturally, understand conversations better, and remember words easily. In 2026, many learners are asking about the most popular lessons, and today I will share them with you. I will explain why these lessons are useful, how they help, and how you can use them to improve your English every day. By the end of this episode, you will have clear ideas about which lessons to follow and how to make your English stronger. First, let's talk about daily routine vocabulary. These lessons are popular because everyone uses daily routine words every day. Words like wake up, drink coffee, go to work, take a shower, and sleep again. Learning these words helps beginners describe their life and feelings in English. Many learners like 10 to 15-minute daily practice videos for these words because they are easy to remember and practice. Next, learners love phrases for speaking politely. For example, words like excuse me, could you please, I'm sorry, thank you, and you're welcome. These phrases are very important for conversations with friends, teachers, or strangers. Popular lessons often show many alternative ways to say these phrases. For example, instead of always saying, you're welcome, learners can say no problem, my pleasure, anytime, or happy to help. These lessons help learners sound natural and friendly. Another popular category is shadowing practice. Shadowing is when you listen to English and repeat it immediately, trying to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. Lessons that have 20 to 30 sentences every day are very popular because they improve speaking fluency and listening skills. Learners enjoy this practice because it is short but very effective. Shadowing lessons often include simple daily sentences, dialogues, or short stories. Listening and repeating daily helps learners think in English faster and speak confidently. Vocabulary lessons about common idioms and expressions are also very popular in 2026. Idioms like break the ice, hit the books, piece of cake, or under the weather are often difficult for beginners but very useful. When learners understand idioms, they can follow movies, TV shows, and real conversations more easily. Popular lessons explain the meaning, pronunciation, and examples in daily life. This makes learning fun and practical. Next, learners love lessons about business and professional English vocabulary. Words like implement, strategy, outcome, priority, efficient, and adapt are often included. These lessons are useful for adults learning English for work. Understanding professional vocabulary helps learners communicate better in emails, meetings, and presentations. Popular lessons often explain the meaning, examples, and how to use these words in sentences naturally. Lessons about travel vocabulary are also very popular. Words like passport, luggage, flight, hotel, check-in, reservation, and sightseeing help learners plan trips or talk about travel experiences. Many learners enjoy listening to dialogues or stories about traveling because they can imagine real-life situations. Popular travel lessons often include easy listening practice, daily expressions, and tips for speaking naturally when traveling. Another favorite topic in 2026 is vocabulary for emotions and feelings. Words like happy, sad, nervous, excited, tired, and relaxed help learners express themselves better. Lessons often include phrases like I feel nervous, I am so excited, or I am a little tired. These lessons are popular because expressing feelings is essential in conversations and helps learners connect with people. Many learners also love vocabulary for learning English faster. Words and phrases that help with reading, listening, speaking, and shadowing are very popular. For example, learners enjoy lessons that teach words like review, repeat, practice, focus, or understand. These words remind learners about learning strategies and motivate them to practice every day. Another trend in 2026 is vocabulary from movies, TV shows, and social media. Learners want words that they hear in daily life, not just textbooks. Popular lessons include fun dialogues, short clips, and explanations of modern expressions. Words like ghosting, vibe, chill, or binge watch are now part of many learners' vocabulary lists. These lessons are popular because learners can connect learning with entertainment and enjoy it more. Finally, learners love review and repetition. Lessons that repeat the most important words and phrases from previous lessons help learners remember long-term. Review lessons often include listening, speaking, and spelling practice. They are simple, short, and very effective. Many learners say that repetition lessons make all other vocabulary lessons easier to follow. In summary, the most popular English vocabulary lessons in 2026 include daily routine words, polite phrases, shadowing practice, idioms and expressions, professional vocabulary, travel words, emotions and feelings, learning strategies, vocabulary from movies and social media, and review lessons. These lessons are popular because they are practical, easy to use, and help learners speak and understand English naturally. If you want to improve your English, I suggest picking a few lessons every week. Focus on daily words, practice politely, shadow sentences, and learn idioms. Include professional, travel, and feeling vocabulary. Repeat and review every day. This combination will make your English fluent, natural, and confident. Practice is the key, and using these popular lessons will help you make English a natural part of your life.